Okay guys, so in today's video, we are going to be looking at 12 reasons why Procreate is the best app out there. So without any further ado, let's just jump right in. Okay, so the reason number one is its affordability. Now, I've heard a lot of people saying it's not affordable, it should be free and stuff like that. So what I feel is it's a one-time purchase, and whatever updates there are afterwards, like after you purchase the app, those are free. Those are completely free, and there's no subscription plan, no expensive subscription plan, and you just have to pay, I think, maybe $10 just to purchase it. That is just a one-time purchase, and that's the reason number one why Procreate is the best one. Okay, so the reason number two why it is the best app is because it's really user-friendly and really easy to use. Unlike other softwares, let's just compare it with Photoshop or Illustrator. Those softwares are really complex to understand in a one go, or maybe in a few days. You won't be able to understand those completely in a few days because there are a lot of tools, a lot of stuff going on in there. But in Procreate, it's really easy to understand. Everything is so organized. Everything is organized in a way where you can actually easily understand each and every tool just by experimenting with those. So I just think it is really user friendly as compared to other apps also, just not Photoshop or Illustrator. Just compare it with any other app that we have for iPad. It's really user friendly. Reason number three is you can actually use Procreate to create some simple vectors. What? I know this is kind of shocking because Procreate doesn't have vector graphic in the app or tools or functions where you can create the vector graphics into the app. But what you can do is when you create a simple looking flat kind of design on Procreate, what you can do is you can just export it in the JPEG format, and you can image trace it on either Illustrator, or there are a lot of free tools you can use to just image trace your JPEG. And I already have a video on that. I made this video long ago, but it's still helpful. So if you are looking for some easy alternative, just create something on Procreate and then just image trace it just to create a vector out of it. So that's pretty clever. I do it all the time because I just think Procreate is so easy to use as compared to Illustrator. Illustrator is so complex when it comes to creating any vector graphics. So I just prefer using Procreate. That is just my personal preference. So that is the reason number three why I love Procreate. Okay guys, reason number four is Procreate has a lot of app gestures, which makes it a lot easier, which makes the whole painting process a lot easier and effortless. I already have a video on all of the gestures Procreate has on my channel. Make sure to check that out as well because those are amazing. Okay guys, reason number five why I love Procreate and why Procreate is the best is because of its huge brush library. The brush library is so huge. They have a lot of really good brushes. Like the default brushes I'm talking about, those are really good. You don't really have to go ahead and download any additional brushes because the default ones are good to go. And I always just use the default brushes when I'm creating a painting. But if still you want to download some brushes, you can actually go ahead and download those for free. There are a number of websites where you can download Procreate brushes for free. I already have a lot of videos on Procreate brushes and how to download it for free. Check those out if you want to. But I just love the brush library and the fact that if I need a brush, I can actually download it for free. So yeah, and this makes me jump on to the next point, the next reason, our sixth reason, which is creating your own brush. I love creating brushes. I have a video on how to create your own stamp eyebrow brushes, eyelash brushes and stuff like that, and I really love doing that. It just makes it a lot easier rather than just to create eyebrows, eyelashes individually when you're painting. So I have a whole set of those created already, and that is the reason why I love Procreate. You can actually create your own brushes. It's easy to create your own brush on Procreate. I know there are a lot of apps that already has this feature where you can create your own brush, but I just love creating it on Procreate. Just seems so simple to do so. Reason number 7 why I love Procreate is because it is really well versed with Apple Pencil, and which makes it very close to drawing on paper, but you're doing it electronically, and that makes it so much more fascinating. So that is the reason why I love Procreate. I know Apple Pencil is a bit expensive, but it's a one-time investment, I feel, and it's worth it. Next reason is it automatically records a time-lapse video of your drawing for you. You don't really have to go ahead and record the video separately and then edit it, because Procreate does it for you. So that is the reason why I really love Procreate. I've exported so many of these time-lapse videos of my drawings, and I love it. It's so easy to use, so quick. You can just quickly export the video and save it on your iPad or just airdrop to your Mac. It's so simple. Another reason why I love Procreate is because it has so many file format options to export your art in, and I love that. And as compared to Adobe, Photoshop and Illustrator, obviously they have different file format options, but they are expensive as well. And considering the fact that Procreate is so affordable, and at this price point providing so many functions like different file format options, and you can also export animated GIF, you can also animate on Procreate. It's amazing. It's just fascinating how affordable this is. Another reason why I think Procreate is the best is because it allows you to import your PSD files onto Procreate, and then you can just start editing that file on Procreate. And I do it a lot. A lot of the times I just take files from Photoshop and I edit it on Procreate, and it's so easy to do, so quick and so effortless. Another function that I use a lot is Airdrop, and I love the fact that you can actually directly airdrop your files from Procreate to your Mac, and that's so quick and easy. You don't really have to save your files or your artworks on your iPad and then transfer it to your PC or laptop. You can just airdrop directly from the Procreate. I know that not a lot of people are using Mac, but if you are using Mac and if you are also using iPad, then I think Procreate, the fact that Procreate directly airdrops files or artworks from Procreate to Mac, it's fascinating and is amazing. And the last reason is color palettes. It's so easy to create color palettes on Procreate. I just love it, and the fact that you can actually import color from a artwork or any picture, and then just import colors from that picture and create a new palette is so amazing. The process is so quick that this is just not going to take a lot of time. So I just think color palettes is a crucial part of any painting process, and Procreate made it so easy. So that is the reason why I love Procreate. So yeah, those were 12 reasons why I think Procreate is the best app out there. So also, this video was not sponsored by Procreate at all. These are just my own opinions and my own thoughts about Procreate and how much I love Procreate. So if you do too, then let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know what is the main reason for you to love Procreate, and let me know down in the comment section below. And yeah, do subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video.